This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, May 23rd, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a upper level feature over the Pacific Northwest. We have a trough moving through the Great Lakes, a ridge in between the two, and that'll bring us some calmer weather to the state today. Some early morning showers will be moving away. Sunshine galore across the state with highs in the 60s to near 70 degrees with partly to mostly sunny skies across the area. Heading into Friday, high pressure over about Chicago. Winds will start to slowly switch to the south, but that's not going to warm the temperatures up a whole heck of a lot. Maybe a few degrees warmer, highs in the mid to upper 60s to lower 70s across the area. And then the rain moves in for the weekend, and it's the Memorial Day weekend. So unfortunately, there's a lot of outdoor plans around, and it looks to be a little bit soggy across the state with some showers and thunderstorms. It will not be an all-day rain. There will be dry periods intermixed. This rain pattern continues into Sunday with some showers and thunderstorms, so any outdoor plans like graduation parties and picnics and barbecues and camping, you'll be dodging raindrops and storms around, and that even continues here into Monday, and it looks like it could be even more expansive here on Monday on Memorial Day. A low pressure center over southwestern Kansas, so showers and thunderstorms will be possible. Again, it will not be an all-day rain. We move into Tuesday to the beginning of the new work week. The rain starts to slacken off a little bit, but there's still going to be at least a good maybe 30% to 40% crack at showers and thunderstorms. There'll be maybe a peak of sunshine intermixed with that. But then the storm system redevelops again in the plains again, and that means more showers and thunderstorms. Looks like it'll be at this point an overnight into the early morning, and then a break, and then into the afternoon and evening. And even a week from today, next Thursday, we still have a broad trough over the western half of the country, a ridge over the east, just off the Carolina coast at this point. And little pieces of energy moving along will bring some showers and thunderstorms. We have a low pressure center about near Valentine, Nebraska. So rain, showers, thunderstorms. It's going to continue on and on and on. We move a couple days ahead to June 3rd. We have a 588 ridge over the south centered somewhere in the Delta region of northwestern Mississippi. Some energy and some fairly deep storm systems over Canada. In between that, we have a frontal system across the Dakotas and Montana that could maybe bring a shower or storm into our far northern counties. Otherwise, it looks to remain dry and a little bit warmer by this point, maybe highs in the 80s. And at the end of the forecast on June the 7th, we have a fairly zonal flow across the country, a quick west to east flow, a bit of energy moving into the Great Lakes, and that's going to most likely mean another storm system, and that means more rain showers possible from the state north and eastward into the Great Lakes, and maybe some tropical activity over the Gulf, but the GFS is known to have these fantasy hurricanes and tropical systems this time of the year. With the satellite image being broken or down, we decided to look at what the GFS shows for the next 2 weeks of rainfall, and it looks to be quite expansive, upwards of 4 to maybe 6 inches of rain possible. Yikes. The watch warning map from last evening showed no flooding issues of any substantialness. We had some river flood warnings along the Cedar River in the state, along the Mississippi River Valley down into Louisiana, some frost and freeze conditions out west and in northern Wisconsin. KPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts could be quite extensive around the state, maybe 1 inch to 2 inches, but it all depends on where areas of thunderstorms develop and repeatedly move through.